Ocean Systems announces the release of Omnivore version 3.1, a software update for our award-winning portable digital video capture tool. Omnivore 3.1 is a free software update for those in support as of March 1st, 2019, and includes an all-new Omnivore Viewer with FFmpeg Convert. To download the software update, visit our website support section, click on Downloads, and scroll down. You'll see Omnivore listed, where you can access the release notes, release history, and download request form. Alternatively, visit the Omnivore product page. And down below, you'll see various tabs, including news, specs, videos, and download, where you can also access the release notes, release history, and download request form. Once you've downloaded and installed the update, let's take a look at what's new with Omnivore Viewer and the all-new FFmpeg Convert. First, it's important to note that the Omnivore Viewer with FFmpeg capabilities are only available when you run Omnivore Viewer from the Omnivore drive. You can see I have Omnivore open here. I'm running version 3.1, and we can launch the Omnivore Viewer right from the Omnivore interface. Or we could browse to the root of our ROM partition and just launch Omnivore Viewer from there. Once Omnivore Viewer is open, I can simply drag any FFmpeg supported multimedia file into the Omnivore Viewer interface now, and it'll immediately launch FFmpeg Convert. FFmpeg Convert is a GUI front-end for FFmpeg on Windows compiled by Zerano and available via the official FFmpeg website. Take a moment to review the licensing information and links above. You'll note our GUI interface is quite simple. We provide uncompressed formats, various compressed formats, future capabilities in regards to reports on the container, streams, and frames. And then down below we have output options, including a file name prefix, and the ability to browse to your save to location, and even add frame numbers right to your output. So whether you're extracting individual frames or just converting the clip, you can add those frame numbers to those files. Once you're ready, simply click OK to begin processing with FFmpeg. You'll note the processing details above, and you can save that entire log by simply clicking Save Log, giving that file a name and saving it to the appropriate location. Inside that log, you'll find all of the details pertaining to the processing of that particular file. In my example, we went to lossless H.264 and added the frame numbers to the lower right hand corner, so you can see it playing back in MPCHC here. Let's take a look at the media info information, a few of the characteristics in media info. We can see it was encoded by FFmpeg in the LibAV libraries. It's an AVC file, and it is 444. We have a variable frame rate, and it did maintain that variable frame rate on output. It's also important to note that in addition to dragging, the file open interface would even allow us to open proprietary multimedia containers that FFmpeg doesn't natively support, but they contain streams that FFmpeg can parse. To do that, in the Omnivore Viewer file open interface, use the All Files selection in the Files of Type dropdown, and then browse to your proprietary container that you'd like to parse. Fair warning, it is up to the analyst and technician to validate their processes. But as you can see in this case, I can choose a proprietary container, a .264 container from a Swan DVR system, and process that using FFmpeg Convert. Extract all frames or just the iframes to various uncompressed or compressed formats. Add a frame counter to the lower right hand corner and save your logs. Award-winning uncompressed portable digital video screen capture, and now FFmpeg Convert. Omnivore version 3.1 from Ocean Systems.